Alright, so today let's quickly make some ranch. Ranch dressing is honestly one of those things that is so easy to make, it's almost a non-recipe. And also, ranch dressing is extremely hard to find outside of the US, to the point where Cool Ranch Doritos are called Cool American Doritos abroad, because ranch is just that rare. So if you're living abroad and you're missing ranch, then this is the recipe for you. The benefit of making this from scratch is also that you can fine-tune this to how you like it, which is especially helpful if you're picky about what types of ranch you like, as I am. Alright, so with all that said, let's get started. Now, for the base of this recipe, we're going to need about a half a cup of either mayonnaise or sour cream. And when given options in life, I tend to want both. So I'm splitting the difference here with about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Although half a cup of either is completely appropriate. However, it will slightly change your final flavor, so feel free to experiment. I mean, this is what this recipe is all about. Okay, so now we're gonna need to add some buttermilk. And specifically, we're gonna need about half a cup of this stuff. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, don't fret. If you haven't had it, buttermilk is kind of a tangy, thicker version of milk, almost a bit yogurty. And you can make something that will kind of approximate the flavor of buttermilk by adding about half a tablespoon of either vinegar or lemon juice to half a cup of whole milk. But before you add it in, you want to let it sit for about 5 minutes to kind of what they call sour. Once that 5 minutes is over, you can add this in just like you would add the buttermilk in. Alright, so now that we have the base of our ranch dressing in, now we need to add in our herbs and spices that will create that characteristic ranch flavor. So to start, we're gonna need 2 teaspoons of chives, either dry or fresh. I opted for fresh here. Then we're gonna need 1 heaping teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of dill, 3 teaspoons worth of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a few grinds of freshly ground black pepper, and my secret ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of tarragon, as well as 1 teaspoon of mustard and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now just go ahead and give all of that a mix. Now I know there was a lot of herbs and spices and you may not have all of it at your house, but omitting a few of these won't kill the recipe and may actually even be closer to what you want. Also, if you want to add more garlic in or, more black pepper, this is a great type of recipe to be able to kind of tailor this to how you like it. Alright, so now that it's stirred, give it a taste for salt and adjust if it needs it. Once that's done, pour it into a jar and we're gonna let these flavors meld together in the fridge for about a day, after which we should have a nice, delicious ranch dressing. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe and I'll see you guys next week. Alright, bye.